Hello and welcome to the course How to Play Rook Endgames. My name is Viktor Neustroyev and I will be your instructor for this course. I am a chess coach and a player with fight rating 2211. This course is about chess endings, and I'm going to teach you how to win the game if you have only a small positional advantage, or the position seems to be equal, and your opponent and you both have rooks. At least 50% of all endings are rook endgames. You may know that rook endings with equal material usually end in a draw. But if you know basic principles and common plans, your chances to win these endings will be higher. What exactly do I teach in this course? In this second section, I demonstrate two types of positions that you should know if you want to become a strong player. In the next section, I teach you how to win a game using different motives, such as occupying the 7th rank, using an open file or rank, how to play with or against passed pawns, how to use rook activity, and how to use pawn weaknesses. This course is not simply about telling you rules and some common ideas. Every motif is demonstrated by examples. And of course, you may pause the video and try to guess how to play yourself. I designed this course mainly for club players. But if you're a beginner, don't worry, join this course if only to improve your calculating skills. After finishing this course, you may become an expert of rook endings and win more games even if position is equal. You will also learn what plans to apply in certain positions. Thanks for your interest in my course How to Play Rook Endgames. Feel free to take a look at the course description. Go ahead and hit Take this course button and join the class. I'm sure you will definitely improve your chess performance after passing this course. See you inside the course.